Hello everybody! Let me present you a social network for storing and creating discount cards, APromotion. This video shows how to use our product for business or for users who earn their free time or monetize a hobby. After you install the application and open it, the screen displays a page proposing to enter the seller's name or the name of the organization. Sellers must enter their name or the name of the organization, otherwise the same page will open every time the application is launched. Many businesses need to purchase consumables or use the services of other organizations to function. In this regard, any organization, like the customer, can store the necessary discount cards or business cards in the Saved section. You can find out how to add discount cards to the Saved section by watching our video How to use our business for customers. If you need to create a discount digital card or business card, all fields on the My Account page must be filled in, otherwise you will be redirected to My page when you try to create a discount card. After entering all the data, you must press the Save button and go through verification via SMS. After entering the code, it will be verified, and then you can create a discount digital loyalty program or business card. On the discount program page, you must select the category where the digital discount card or business card will be saved. An offer to the customer is formed by a text set. After clicking the Create button, you will be prompted to pay for the generated discount program for your customers. As our mobile application is constantly developing, see the following videos for all new features.